Hello, greetings everyone. I will show you today on how to make these beautiful cute flowers. In Latin word, they call it Myosotis, but most of us call it forget-me-not. This plant can also grow up to 2 feet tall. There are 10 types of Myosotis flower, but in general, it has 5 charming blue petals with a yellow in the center. Without further ado, let's start. So these are all the tools and materials that you're gonna need. I'm gonna be using 2.5 mm hook, and also I have 2 types of wire. The other one is bigger. Later I will be showing you how to make this one as well, so it's gonna be in one video. As you can see, I have 5 petals. No, I have 5 flowers here, and it has 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's up to you. I will be using blue yarn for this project today. So let's begin. In this project, guys, I will start with a magic ring or a magic circle. So this is how I make my magic circle. There are so many ways to make this, but I think this is the easiest way. Chain 1, adjust your hands on how you're holding your yarn, and then chain 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 chain. Now the next thing I will do is triple or treble crochet. Again, I will do it one more time. Yarn over 2 times, yarn over, fold through, yarn over, fold through, and yarn over, fold through. Now chain 4 again, slip stitch. Remember this pattern, you will repeat this one 4 times. So this is our first petals. I will do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over 2 times, yarn over, then pull through again, and pull through 2 loops on the hook. Now let's do it again. This is what we call triple in US terminology, and treble in British terminology. So chain 4, 2, 3, 4, insert, slip stitch rather, and then careful with this tail here. Slowly you have to tighten it also as you go along making this petal. So we have 2, just repeat this pattern, 4 chain, 2 triple crochet or treble crochet, and then another 4 chain, then slip stitch. That's all you're gonna do, and repeat it 5 times, or should I say 4 times. Last petals, slip stitch. Now here is the tail. You just have to pull that really hard to tighten this magic circle. So this is how it should look like. Again, if you want it tighter, you just have to pull it here. Now chain 1, then cut your yarn. So adjust more if needed before you close or tie this end. Let's proceed to making this yellow center here. I forgot to mention that you're gonna need yellow and green yarn. At this part, I will use the wire now and the glue. So make it ready and just do how I do it. Just the tip of the wire, because you're gonna bend this. Let it dry and I'll show you later how to insert this in our petal. So it's a little bit dry now. What I'm gonna do, I have these tools here. I will just bend it into circle. And then I will use the different types and then bend like that. So it should be like this. Insert it here. Easy. So next, we'll make the stem. So continue doing that until you have 5 of this flower. Then I'll show you how to assemble. But before that, I will show you how to make the leaf. For the leaf, guys, we will start with slip knot. Chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 19, 20, 21. Insert in the second stitch with 1 single crochet and then another single crochet in the next stitch, half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then double crochet in the next 10 stitches. I'll see you when you have 10 double crochet. I already have 10 double crochet. Next will be half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then 1 single crochet, and in this stitch here we're gonna put 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. So there are 3 single crochet here, so now 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 10 double crochet in the next 10 stitches. I'll see you when you have 10 double crochet. So I have 10 double crochet already. Next will be 3 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and then 1 single crochet here, and then slip stitch. We'll do a single crochet with the wire all the way around. What we are doing is what we called edging. So single crochet here, we are now in the center of the leaf. If you want it to be pointy like this one here, you see, just do the picot. So I'll insert here for 1 single crochet, and then chain 2, insert it here where your single crochet is, and then single crochet in the next. So just continue the single crochet. I will see you when you reach here. Insert your yarn here, slip stitch, chain 1, cut your yarn. Then adjust. Now you see the difference. Time to assemble. It's done. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you guys next time. God bless us all. Bye bye.